How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today we have a special guest right there. His name's Olive. He's cute. But today I'm going to be talking to you about the possible Fed pivot coming up. Right now there are rumors going around that not this time, not the one in November, but in December, the Fed could announce a 50 basis point rate hike, which would indicate a Fed pivot, meaning we could see a reversal in the market very, very soon. So I'm going to be talking about that and going over some metrics and indicator analysis to go along with it and show you the timeline of what this could really look like. With that, let's get started with the video. Here's the article in question, guys, written by William Suberg on Cointelegraph. Bitcoin price hits 1 week lows as Fed rate hike rumors unsettle the market. A sudden dip accompanies squabbling over the Fed rate hike policy, with Bitcoin price action recovering lost ground. Bitcoin dipped further below 19,000 on October 21st as rumors circulated over the United States Federal Reserve. Now, it has actually recovered, as you can see from this, but there was a crazy wick down right here. First and foremost, it is important to say that the Fed is still on track for a major November rate hike. This means we're still likely to see 75 basis points coming up in November. The FOMC meeting is on November 2nd, so be on the lookout for that. This will likely see a move down as a precursor to the meeting and then a quick move up right after, as we've seen the past 3 times with these FOMC rate hikes. Data from Cointelegraph, Markets Pro, and TradingView showed Bitcoin USD abruptly dropping before the Wall Street Open, hitting lows of 18,660 on Bitstamp. A recovery took the pair higher, and it was attempting to reclaim 19,000 as support at the time of writing. The action came as commenters claimed that the Fed was softening its policy on rate hikes ahead of the November 1st and 2nd Federal Open Market Committee FOMC meeting. Citing mainstream media quotations from Fed officials, they suggested that the November rate hike could be the last of the 75 basis point adjustments, with smaller ones following. Some of these officials are more eager to calibrate their rate setting to reduce the risk of over-tightening, says Nick Timiraos. I'm going to go with Timiraos. I apologize if I got that wrong. Chief economics correspondent at the Wall Street Journal summarized. But they won't want to dramatically loosen financial conditions if and when they hike by 50 basis points instead of 75. This meeting could allow officials to get aligned on the next steps. So there you have it. We could be seeing a 50 basis point rate hike, not this time coming up in November, but in the December FOMC meeting, we could see that 50 basis point rate hike. Now, it is very worth noting that typically reactions in the market to FOMC meetings, to rate hikes like this, or generally any other economic policy, can take weeks to actually see effects in the market. Because of this, after December, it may not be until Q1 of 2023 that we see any real effects take place if we do get that 50 basis point rate hike in December. With that, let's talk about technical analysis. Right now I'm looking at BTC USD, the TC top and bottom finder metric on the tradeconfident.io website. It was last updated today, October 21st. Right here, you can see that small wick down towards structure support at about 18,660 that the article mentioned. Now, we are below this midline, showing that we are currently technically in a downtrend, although overall it is sideways. We are hitting that crab market, guys. It is just moving sideways. As of right now, there are not any sell signals or buy signals, and the same goes for the market reversal indicator down here. There are no market reversal bars, so at this time we can expect a slight downtrend, if not just completely horizontal movement. In this time of market uncertainty, the combination of crypto and macro metrics, as you can see right here, will give you a huge advantage in the market. It'll help you predict that market reversal when it does come. If you want to join the membership and get access to all these metrics and more, be sure to click the link in the description right now to sign up. On top of these metrics, you will also get access to scalping trade calls, along with educational courses, our Trade Confident chat on our website, and much more. So with that, again, sign up in the link in the description to join now. Taking a look at the TradingView charts now, I am looking at Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour time frame. I'm looking at the TC top and bottom finder, trend exhaustion, and price versus money flow indicators. Right now, we are also in a very strong descending triangle, and I have 2 structure supports marked up right now. The very bottom one is at $18,170, with the closer one at $18,600, and it does match up with previous bounces right over here. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we did get a buy signal that did correlate to a move up, although we are moving back down right now, kind of just again to stay below this blue midline and continue moving moving sideways. The trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow are in the middle of their areas and could see at most a move back up to $19,400 to meet structural resistance at this descending line here. If this does happen, we would reach about $19,470, but again, I don't think we're going to move anywhere past that. And if we do, I think we're going to see the trend exhaustion top out, the price versus well money flow top out, and a sell signal to push us back down to at least 18,600, which is the next structure support. For now, I think this is where we're going to maintain, although we could be seeing as far down as $1,800 when it comes time for the FOMC meeting, when we get that 75 basis point rate hike. These meetings typically see a move down followed by a move up as soon as the meeting is over, and this has happened the past 3 times that we've had these FOMC meetings. So I did mock this up for you guys as well. This represents the FOMC meetings that are coming up in November on the 2nd and 3rd. This is where we're expecting that 75 basis point rate hike just to continue the trend that we've been on recently. As of right now, this is where we're expecting, again, 75 basis points, nothing new here. But on December 14th and 15th, that is when we're expecting the 50 basis point rate hike. And if we see that, this is considered a Fed pivot. This is very, very exciting and means that the Federal Reserve is starting to change its tune and starting to turn down that interest rate hike. It means they could be expecting inflation to reduce over time, which means we could see positive effects in the market within Q1 of 2023. This is very, very exciting. So for you diamond hands out there that have held through this brutal bear market, congratulations. We could be seeing the bottom soon. Now that Q1 of 2023 does line up with when we can expect a bear market bottom. If you haven't seen the videos, check them out in the link in the description. They're extremely important. I go over where I think the bottom, when and where, in fact, the bottom of Bitcoin could be based on previous bear markets, and in Q1 2023 falls within the range of the average bottom of the bear market, which means we very, very well could see the bottom soon. Now, before I continue with the video, I just have to say that these state-of-the-art indicators are making our clients crazy, crazy money. You don't even have to take it from me, guys. Check it out. This guy made $950 in one day. This guy made $4,300 in just a week. This person made $500, $5,200, $4,300 super, super quick, guys. You don't even have to take my word for it. These are real clients. These people have been making crazy money with the indicators and the memberships. So if you want to get access to these memberships, click the link in the description. These are on sale at the lowest prices they have ever been. So if you want to grab that, I'm going to show you the best deal possible. You're going to want to grab our bundle pack right here with a $50 coupon code, save me $50 right here. This will give you lifetime access for a one-time payment to the price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion you saw me use in this video, as well as 7 other indicators you can use to trade crypto, stocks, and Forex currency. Now, the best part of the bundle pack is it contains a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. So overall, in combination with the bundle pack and the TC top and bottom finder, you get an additional $50 off on top of that $400 off coupon. Now, if you want to buy the TC top and bottom finder by itself too, you can use save me $250 at checkout to get an additional $250 off just the TC top and bottom finder. So if you want to get that by itself, you can use that code right here. All links for these indicators are in the description, so check it out if you want to learn more. In conclusion, we are expecting a 75 basis point interest rate hike in November. This is nothing out of the ordinary at this point, but December is when the Fed pivot could happen. This is when we could see a 50 basis point interest rate hike, which reverses the sentiment of the Federal Reserve, showing that they're kind of easing back on their tightening of the economy. This could lead to a speed up in the economy, which will be really, really good for crypto and could actually indicate the bottom. Now, if you haven't seen the video yet, you should check out the links in the description. It'll show you my overall estimate of when the bear market bottom could be for Bitcoin and where it's going to go from there, and when it could possibly hit $69,000 again. So again, check that video out in the links in the description. Overall, though, it looks like Q1 of 2023 could be when the market starts reversing and heading back up. This is really, really exciting, guys. The bear market has been brutal. So congrats to you, diamond hands. It may be over soon. With that, thanks so much for watching. We really, really appreciate it, guys. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. With that, remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.